All right, so now you guys kind of watched that silly video, but I think it's helpful for understanding this collision theory. So the factors that are affecting the reaction rate, and we should be able to explain, how each one increases the reaction rate in terms of particles and collisions. So the factors, and I would take notes on this, are surface area, concentration of the reactants, temperature, and catalysts. So when we increase surface area, this would be like if we were going to grind up something, like let's say we had an Alka-Seltzer tablet. If we grind it up, it's going to have more particles available to react. If it's not ground up, it has less surface area, then there's a whole bunch of the inside particles that can't react. Concentration of reactants, if I add more reactants, there's going to be more collisions, and then they'll be more likely to be the effective collisions to form products. If I increase temperature, particles move faster. So temperature is directly proportional to the movement, the kinetic energy of the particles. So higher temp, more movement, so then more collisions. And then catalysts. Remember the catalysts in the energy diagram? There's a certain amount of energy required for the reaction to happen, that activation energy. And remember that a catalyst lowers that. So more collisions are going to have the correct amount of energy. And then I just have some pictures kind of to illustrate what we just talked about. So, increasing surface area, there'll be more options for collisions. Stirring is another thing. So it's just, to me, kind of like increasing surface area. If I stir something, then it moves around and there's more chances for collisions. This is a good illustration of temperature. You can see that over here they're moving faster. So temperature is directly related to the movement. So if they're moving faster, there's going to be more collisions and the reaction will happen faster. This one's illustrating concentration. Here you have more of the reactants and products, so more collisions are happening. So the reaction's going to go more quickly. And then concentration. Just anytime we add more particles, there's going to be more collisions.